Everybody, so we got a quick unboxing and information video to do on some Milwaukee lights, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so these I got in 2 light kits. One of them was this kit right here with these 2 different lights. The other one came with one of the 700 lumen lights that are sitting over here. So basically these, we already unboxed those 2. This came with one of those. So we're gonna unbox those real quick. These are Milwaukee part numbers 2115-21 or 2115-21. These are rechargeable red lithium USB. These are USB rechargeable low profile headlamps, 600 lumen headlamps. They have them in a variety of different lumens. I think they have one in like 450 lumens. They also have one in 320 or something lumens that are rechargeable. I grabbed the brightest ones. Me and my wife could use these for, you know, biking and stuff like that. These you can test them, turn them on, change the mode. 1, 2, 3, 4 mode. Turn them off. They're very nice. They have a hard hat clip. They have the rechargeable cable. They have these other clips for hard hats. It looks like they came with 4. It has a head strap. So let's get them unboxed. Looks like light limited lifetime USB battery 2-year. I believe these batteries come out. Yeah, they have a little screw port right here. I think Milwaukee just came out with a bigger box of them too. Or a bigger battery, not box. But I think, if I remember correctly, Milwaukee just came out with a 3, I think is what it was. So bigger battery. There's the cable. Here's the instruction book, information book. Try to cut this without destroying any of these, because it's the easiest way to get these packages open. Pull these clips out. There's 3. I'll show you this one without cutting the strap. Got it out, didn't harm the strap any. So the information on this guy, on the back, all day runtime over 2,000 recharges, 3 times faster charge time, split design for maximum comfort and balance, removable crown strap for superior hold and control, high, 600 lumens for 2 hours, medium, 350 lumens for 6 hours, low, 125 lumens for 10 hours, and eco mode, 25 lumens for 25 hours. In some things, eco mode is considered, what is it called? Firefly. Includes 2115-21 USB rechargeable low profile headlamp, red lithium USB rechargeable pack, and 2-foot heavy duty cord. So if we, it's in lock, unlock, yep. These batteries right here. This is what they look like. 4 volts, 10 watt hour, lithium ion. This is 2.5 amp hour. They just came out with a 3 amp hour of these, which is cool. You only slide in one way. Lock. There's one other hard hat clip on the front. There you go. Alright, so this is what it comes with. Plus the battery, if we just take the battery out. It's everything that one pack comes with. It's a pain to get these packs open. I just don't want to have to like cut the whole thing in 1,000 pieces just to get these out. Try to make this one as quick as possible. Pour it out. Little instruction booklet. God, these little packages are ridiculous. I understand they don't want people stealing, but come on. Sometimes it's not necessary, Milwaukee. Keyman it open. Same information on this one. Just gonna put the packages aside. Does not look like I messed anything up. Oh, really? Tip the camera over again. Okay. This is what you get for both of these kits. I'm just doing the same items in the same video because I don't want to do 2 videos for the same item. But you know, they're actually really nice. I like that they are I kind of wish that they were blue light, you know, in the 5,000, 5,500 Kelvin range. But these are more of a warm light. 5,000, 6,000 Kelvin is more of a cool light. I like cool light, which is kind of what this light right here is that's illuminating this section. But the flashlights, the 700 lumen flashlights I just did an unboxing on, are the same. They're warm light, which is more of a yellow hued light, which, you know, light is light. You know, I think that they're great. I do like that, you know, these batteries are kind of nice. You can buy these batteries separate, similar to like the M12 and M18 system. They just came out with a 3.0 amp hour, I think, which is cool. I'll leave a link up here for Clint from Tool Review Zone. He's going to be releasing, I believe, a video about the new 3 amp hour version of these today or tomorrow or soon. I'll leave a link up here for his channel, as well as I'll link that video. These are, all in all, very nice lights. They come with, you know, a decent amount of clips for helmet. They come with the charging cable, which I have a crap ton of these cables, you know, and I wish they were USB or USB-C and not micro, but you know, it is what it is. These are very nice braided cables. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links down below. Appreciate you guys watching, sticking around for the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!